Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am discuss about 4th September 2020 JEE Main Shift 1 online paper. Okay, now here question alpha beta are roots of x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0 and gamma delta are the roots of x square minus 6x plus q equal to 0. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the increasing GP. Then the value of 2q plus p by 2q minus p equal to. Okay, now alpha, beta, gamma, delta are increasing GP means let alpha is equal to A. Now beta is equal to AR. Now gamma is equal to AR square. Now delta is equal to ARQ. Okay, now alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to 3. Okay, now A plus AR is equal to 3. Okay, now here A common, 1 plus R is equal to 3. Now equation 1. Okay, now here gamma delta are the roots of x square minus 6x plus q equal to 0. Now gamma plus delta is equal to 6. Okay, gamma value are AR square plus AR cube is equal to 6. Okay, now AR square common, 1 plus R is equal to 6. Now equation 2. Now equation 2 by 1 implies AR square. Now AR square into 1 plus R by, now A into 1 plus R is equal to 6 by 3. Okay, now 1 plus R, AA cancel. Now R square is equal to 2. Now R is equal to root 2. Now PQ. Okay, next to find PQ. Okay, now PQ means alpha beta. Okay, first to find alpha beta. Okay, now alpha beta is equal to. Okay, alpha beta is equal to P. Product of the roots is equal to P. Okay, now gamma delta is equal to Q. Okay, alpha value is, now alpha is equal to A. Now beta value AR into AR. Now A square R. Okay, now A square R means first to find A value. Now from equation 1, A into 1 plus R is equal to 3. A into 1 plus root 2 is equal to 3. Now A is equal to 3 by root 2 plus 1. Now root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Now 3 into root 2 minus 1. Okay, now A value 3 into root 2 minus 1, A square means 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square. 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now R value is root 2. Okay, next gamma delta. Okay, gamma delta is equal to, now gamma into delta, A square into R power 5. A square into R power 5. Okay, now A square value 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now root 2 power 5, 4 root 2. Okay, root 2 power 5, 4 root 2. Okay, now find next 2q plus p. Now 2q plus p. Now 2q plus p means Now alpha beta value is P. This value is P. This value is Q. Okay, now 2Q plus P. Now 2 into 9, 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square into 4 root 2, okay, 2Q plus P value 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square into root 2. Okay, now both have 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square, root 2 is common. 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square, root 2 is common. Now 8 plus 1. Okay, 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square into root 2 into 9. Okay, next 2p minus q value. Okay, now 2q minus p is equal to, now same value 8 minus 1, 9 into root 2 minus 1 whole square into root 2. Now 8 minus 1, 9 by root 2 minus 1 whole square into root 2 into 7. Now 2q plus p by 2q minus p is equal to, now this one by this one both are 9 by 7. That value is equal to 9 by 7. Option 3 is the correct one. Next one, two poles AB and CD of height 15 meters and 10 meters respectively. A and C are on level ground. Point of intersection of AD and BC is P. Then height of P is. Okay, now two poles AB and CD. Now here A, B, C, D. Now A and C are on level ground. Okay, now point of intersection of AD. Now this one AD. Now and BC. P. Now then height of P is this one H, here X and Y. Okay, now here from triangle ACD and also from triangle APQ. Observe that. Now here triangle APQ, similar to triangle ACD. Okay, now x by h is equal to x plus y by, now here AB 15 meters and here also 10 meters. Okay, x plus y by 10. Now equation 1. Okay, now from triangle CPQ, here observe that CPQ and CAB are similar triangles. Triangle CPQ similar to triangle CAB or ABC, triangle ABC. Now y by h is equal to x plus y by 15. Now here equation 2. Now 1 plus 2 implies x by h plus y by h is equal to x plus y by 10 plus x plus y by 15. Now here x plus y by h, Now x plus y by h is equal to, now here x plus y is common, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Now x plus y cancel. Now 1 by h is equal to, now here LCM 30, 3 plus 2, 5 by 30. Now 1 by h is equal to 1 by 6. Now h value is 6. Therefore, height of P is equal to, height of P is equal to 6. Now option 1 is the correct one. Next one, the mean and variance of 5, 7, 12, 10, 15, 14 AB are 10 and 13.5 respectively. Then the value of mod A minus B. Now mean x bar is equal to, x bar is equal to sum of the observations by total observations. Now 5 plus 7 plus 12 plus 10 plus 15 plus 14 plus a plus b by, now total 8 is equal to, mean is equal to given 10. Okay, now 5 plus 7 plus 12 plus 10 plus 15 plus 14, 63 plus, now a plus b is equal to 80. Now a plus b is equal to 17. Now equation 1. Now variance sigma square is equal to sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. Okay, now sigma square value are given 13.5 is equal to, now xi square, sigma xi square means 25 plus, now 49 plus 144 plus 100 plus 225 plus 196 plus a square plus b square by 8 minus 10 square 100. Okay, now adding 25 plus 49 plus 144 plus 100 plus 225 plus 196, 739 plus a square plus b square minus 800 by 8. By cross multiplication, 13.5 into 8, 108. Now 108 plus 108 plus, now plus 800, move that side. Now plus 800 is equal to a square plus b square plus 739. A square plus b square plus 739. Now a square plus b square is equal to, now 908 minus 739. Now a square plus b square equal to 169. A square plus b square equal to 169. Now a square plus b square can be write, now a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to 169. Now a plus b whole square 17 square, now 289 minus 2ab is equal to 169. Now ab is equal to 60. Now ab is equal to 60. Now mod a minus b whole square. Okay, now mod a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Okay, now a plus b whole square 17 square minus 4 into 60. Okay, now 289 minus 240 is equal to 49. Okay, mod a minus b is equal to 7. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Next one, consider two statements are given. Now statement 1, negation P implies negation Q double implies negation P is a tautology. Statement 2, negation Q and P implies Q is a falsy. Now using truth tables, now here P Q okay, negation P negation Q. Okay, now true, false. First true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, now negation P. Now here truth values P true means false, not P. False. Now true. And here also true. Okay, negation Q. True means here false. False means true. False. True. Okay, next. Negation Q double implies negation P. Negation Q double implies negation P. Negation Q double implies negation P means, now by implication means both truth values are true, true means true, false, false, true. Now remaining time false. Both truth values are same means the value are true. Remaining time false. Okay, negation Q double implies negation P. Okay, now false, both truth values are false means that value true. Now here false and here also false. Now here true. Okay, next one, negation P implies negation P, negation Q double implies negation Q double implies negation P. Now implication means, okay, implication means both truth value true to false means false, remaining every time true. Okay, now negation P, this one to this one. Now here true to false and here also false, remaining every time is true. This one true and here also true, this one also true. Okay, now here negation P implies negation Q double implies negation P is a tautology. Now no, this one is a statement 1 is false. Statement 1 is, now statement 1 is false. Okay, next one, negation Q and P. Negation Q and P. Negation Q and P means end means end means first connectivity. Now end means both truth values, true means true, remaining time false. Now negation Q means this one and P. Okay, now here both truth values, here true means this value is true. Okay, remaining time all are false, and here also false, this one also false, this one also false. Next one, negation Q and P implies Q. Okay, and Q means now here negation Q and P, this one to Q. Now implication means now here false, true. True to false, only false. This one only true to false is false. Remaining time all are true. Okay, now this one true. Okay, this one true. This one true. Now therefore statement 2 is false. Okay, now both S1 and both statements are false. Therefore option 4 is the correct one.